There was no explosion, no fire, no alarm, just a brief flash of blue light in a quiet laboratory. In that moment, everyone in the room understood the same thing. Something had gone very wrong. But by then, it was already too late. The year was 1946. World War II had just ended, and nuclear science was advancing faster than anyone could fully understand. At Los Alamos Laboratory, New Mexico, scientists were working with a small sphere of plutonium. It was meant for a third atomic bomb, one that was never used. They nicknamed it the Demon Core because of how dangerous it was. They were aware of the risk it has brought. If the plutonium core became too reactive, it could release a burst of deadly radiation. So everyone made sure of three main things: distance, protective barriers, and then remote tools. But over time, familiarity replaced fear. The experiment was simple: measure how close the core was to becoming critical, basically giving out the chain reaction. Simple if done correctly. Physicist Louis Slotin had performed this test many times before. Instead of using safety spacers, he used a screwdriver. In one hand, he held the core, in the other, he kept the screwdriver wedged between two metal halves. Colleagues watched quietly. Slotin was confident he had done this before. Then something happened that was not in his experience. The screwdriver slipped. For a fraction of a second, the core went critical. Witnesses saw a sudden blue flash of light, a sign of intense radiation. Slotin immediately reacted, knocking the metal apart. The reaction stopped. The room fell silent. Someone asked, "What was that?" Slotin replied calmly, "Well, that did it." Slotin absorbed a lethal dose of radiation. Within hours, he became violently ill. Within days, his organs began to fail. 9 days later, he was dead. Several others in the room were also exposed. Some would later develop serious health problems. The demon core never killed anyone again. It was melted down shortly after.